Hi everyone! Today I'll be teaching you how to buy Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency step by step, and this is intended for complete beginners. What I found is that the information on buying cryptocurrency on the internet can be overwhelming, and there isn't a clear-cut step-by-step approach how to do this for complete beginners. So if you don't have any knowledge on this topic. My position on this is that blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies will be revolutionary in the decades to come. It's a good time to start acquiring some knowledge on this while this technology is still in its infancy. Also, my advice is to first buy some really small amount of cryptocurrencies which you're willing to lose without knowing too much about this topic, and then you should spend a month or two and explore the technical and the business side of this technology. Okay, our first step will be buying cryptocurrencies from an online exchange. When you think about exchanging one currency for another, let's say your currency is the dollar, you want to exchange it to euro. You would go to your local exchange or to your local bank and just exchange it for euro, or you would do the exchange on your credit card based on a certain rate which the bank is willing to give, exchange rate which the bank is willing to give. Similar applies to buying cryptocurrencies. Since you're a complete beginner, you don't own any cryptocurrency, your first step is to sign up for an online exchange and exchange your local currency for cryptocurrency. There are two types of exchanges: a centralized exchange, which we will be using, and decentralized exchange. We will be using Coinbase, which is a very popular online centralized exchange, to buy cryptocurrency. A centralized exchange is a central place where you can buy cryptocurrency for your local currency, or you can exchange cryptocurrency for another cryptocurrency. The first step when you sign up for a centralized exchange is the KYC process. It's short for Know Your Customer. This is the process in which you will scan your ID or driver's license or your password to verify that you're the person who you claim to be. Then you will usually give your credit card and you're ready to buy your first crypto. This is the process of a centralized exchange. And at this point, when you buy it, the centralized exchange will be responsible for keeping your crypto, and then you can do whatever you want with your crypto. The second option is the decentralized exchange. It's different than the centralized exchange because you will be trading cryptocurrencies customer to customer. So you will be buying or selling cryptocurrencies from another person. And these tend to be a bit harder to use, since there is no customer support if something goes wrong. So I don't recommend it for complete beginners. So that's our first step. We'll be signing up for Coinbase. Our second step is installing a wallet. A wallet is a piece of software which keeps your cryptocurrencies. As I said, when you buy crypto from an online exchange, the exchange is responsible for keeping your cryptocurrency. If you want to be responsible for keeping your currency, you would install a wallet. A wallet is actually a way of proving your ownership over your crypto. Think of it in terms of keeping your money in your physical wallet as opposed to using your credit card. When you're using your credit card and when you're keeping your money on your credit card, the bank assures the security of your money. However, when you withdraw it in paper form and put it in your wallet in your pocket, then you're responsible for keeping that money. It's the same applies to keeping your crypto in a digital wallet as opposed to keeping your crypto on a centralized exchange. My girlfriend is a total beginner to cryptocurrencies, so we'll be doing this with her newly freshly opened account at Coinbase. Also, we'll be installing a wallet on her mobile phone, and we'll be exchanging crypto between her and mine's wallet.
Okay, show me what to do.
Sure. Our first step is to install Coinbase on your mobile phone, and we'll proceed from there. I'll be sharing a link to Coinbase in the description of my video. So click on that, and then you need to fill out this first form to create the account. Here we go. Next, read the privacy policy, please. No, I don't want to receive offers. Yes, Croatian citizenship. And this is the KYC process. You're required to scan some of your official document. When the KYC process is finished, you will receive an email that you can set up your account. Go to the Google Play Store and install the Coinbase application. I've just set up the Coinbase account for my girlfriend Maria. We've chosen to buy Uniswap token. First step is to add the payment method. I've downloaded the Coinbase wallet application from the Google Store. And installed the wallet on my phone. You should go to settings and check your recovery phrase. This will be a 12-word phrase which acts as a password for your wallet. This is a must. You should remember this recovery phrase, since if you lose your phone, your wallet application gets uninstalled or something happens, you are supposed to log in back to your wallet application by using this recovery phrase. There is also the option of backing it up on Google Drive, but one of the safest options is actually storing it in a password manager or just writing it somewhere on a piece of paper. Our wallet still doesn't contain any cryptocurrency, since we didn't transfer it from our Coinbase account to our wallet. Since we bought cryptocurrency from Coinbase and we installed wallet also provided by Coinbase, there is an option to connect to Coinbase and transfer the crypto from our exchange to our wallet. Now let's connect to our Coinbase account and transfer our Uniswap, the cryptocurrency we bought, to our wallet. and our Uniswap cryptocurrency is on my girlfriend's wallet. Now the final step will be to send Bitcoin from my wallet to my girlfriend's wallet. First thing to do is to click this button, receive, then specify the cryptocurrency we are receiving. In our case, it's Bitcoin. Then it will point us to the public address of my girlfriend's wallet. On my wallet, I need to click Bitcoin, then send, then specify the amount of Bitcoin I want to send. It will be $5. I click next, then I need to scan this public address. And click send, authenticate, and it will take around 10 minutes to transfer this Bitcoin from my wallet to my girlfriend's wallet, since the mining time of a block on Bitcoin is 10 minutes. And the $5 worth of Bitcoin is now available on my girlfriend's wallet. One final note: make sure you remember the recovery phrase and back it up on Google Cloud. If you forget this, you cannot log in back to your wallet, so all of your funds will be lost. And you can send and receive crypto which you own on your wallet to any other wallet by using these two buttons and either typing in someone's public address or scanning it through QR code. And that will be it on buying cryptocurrencies for beginners. Thanks. Bye bye.